In this project, you're going to create an app that has artificial intelligence functionality. So we're going to use Thunkable.com to do this. So pause this video, open a new tab and go to Thunkable.com. We're going to click the sign up button. And you're going to sign up with Google. Make sure you use your school account to do this. Now you may get a quick start guide video. You can skip that and just click start building. We're going to call this AI app. The category is going to be education, doesn't really matter. Click away from category to close that. All apps are public. Use the drag and drop builder, should be ticked. It should be ticked by default, but just in case it isn't, that should be ticked. We're now going to create our app. This will load the app straight away. What you'll see in the middle is the screen of your app. On the left hand side, components we can use within our app, and on the right hand side, the properties of whatever is selected. You can see we have Screen 1 selected and we can see the properties of Screen 1. The first thing we're going to do is add navigation. So at the very top left there is a little drop down arrow and there's an Add Navigator option. We're going to choose Top Tab Navigator. What this has done is created a navigation system and 4 additional pages: Home, About, Contact and Setting. Now we can actually delete Screen 1 now, so I'm going to click on that delete on that trash can and select delete. Okay, so we've got these 4 pages. What we're going to do is we're going to rename these and then in the future videos fill in each one of these pages. So I'm going to click on Home. So that's the navigator there, and that's the home page within our navigator. And I'm going to click on this word home and I'm going to change this to image detect. And I'm going to change the background color to this. You can change it to anything, it's just a way of differentiating each page. Then I'm going to click on About. And this one's going to be called Translate. And I'm going to change the background color for this. Then I'm going to click on the contact page, change this to AI Helper, change the background color to this, and then on the setting, AI Image, and change the color to that as well. Okay, so now you should have 4 pages and each one of them are renamed. Now you're going to change these icons later on, but we'll do that towards the end of the project. What we're going to do now is we're just going to preview it. So to preview the app, there's this button up here that says Web Preview. We click on that, and whenever you click on that, it will load the page you were editing last. So just note that that's what happens. So you can see that we can click on the navigation. We can also swipe with our finger, so you can actually interact with it as if it was on a mobile phone. And now we have the bare bones for our app. In the next videos, we're going to go through and add individual functionality to each one of these pages.